So hello guys, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show that how to use introducing communities in business WhatsApp. Business WhatsApp update new option, new update features in 2020 with the name of introducing communities in business WhatsApp. So guys, if you are new in my video, so first of all you subscribe my YouTube channel and also like, comment in my video. So let's start our video without wasting our time. Click on this start your community, and after you click on this second interface showing here new community. The first is community name, so type here your community name, believe only Allah, and after that you select the your DP. And the second option is your name of community description. So guys, you type here some description about your group. So I type hi only. So guys, you type, and the second again what you have to do, you click on this the arrow option, and the second is here you can see the create new group. You can create a new group, and the add existing group you have already in which group head. So guys, you select someone group, and the about you yes option, and creating community is select. So guys, view community, welcome to the community. So guys, group is created and add existing group is add in this. So this interface showing here we can add multiple groups in one groups. So guys, if my video is informative for you, so please subscribe my YouTube channel.